Welcome to all in today's lecture. Today we are going to learn the concept of training methods. Before that we focus in previous lecture. In that we learning the meaning of training, definition of training and objectives of training. So we today focus the concept is that training methods. In that there are two different methods, on the job methods and off the job methods. Today we are the focus on the job methods. In that there are different methods: job rotation, coaching, job instructions, training through step by step, committee assignments, internship. Let's we focus the first method is that on the job methods. This type of training also known as job instruction training. Under this method, the individual is placed on a regular job and through or though the skill necessary to perform that job. On the job training has the advantages of giving first hand knowledge and experience under the actual working conditions. Name its reveal. No, on the job method means what? The when employee are taking a training, at that moment he is available on that particular job. He doing their workout as well as he learning the new things. In that there are different methods. The first one is that job rotation. In a job rotation involve the movement of the trainee from one job to another. The trainee receives job knowledge and gains experience from his supervisor in each of the different job assignments. This method gives an opportunity to the trainee to understand the problem of employees on other job and respect them. According to the title, job rotation means what? The candidate doing one job and after taking experience he going for another job, and through the supervisor he is acquiring knowledge through the given assignment, and what through that he understand the problems of employees on the other jobs and respect them. If you want, if you change, if your job is also rotate, at that moment you don't have a knowledge about another task, without a respect we can understand. No, according to that we are learning a different things. It is a job rotation. And next is what? Coaching. The trainee is placed under a particular supervisor who functions as a coach. In training the individual, the supervisor provides feedback to the trainee on his performance and offer him some suggestions for improvement, but the trainee may not have the freedom to express his own ideas. Coaching, it's reveal. There is a one person who teach you or giving a training and he provides feedback. You are right, you are wrong, or need improvements, all those things. There is a supervisor and he always suggests for improvements, but the trainee don't have their own freedom to express his own ideas during that coaching. And next is what? Job instructions. This title reveals this method is also known as a training through step by step. Under this method, the training explains to the trainee the way of doing the job, job knowledge and skill, and allow him to do the job. There is what? step by step instructions, ma'am. For the first task, second task, and then after you do according to that information, you have to do your task as a trainee, and they are explaining to you. And the next is what? Committee assignments. Under this method, a group of trainees are given and asked to solve an actual organizational problem. The trainee solve the problem jointly. It develops teamwork. Committee means no co-working. There are number of people coming together for any specific assignments, and they are doing tasks for solving any problem of particular organization, and this problem they are solved not individually, it is jointly, so we call these a committee assignments. And last method is that internship. Individuals entering industry in a skilled trade or provided through instructions through theoretical and practical aspects. Apprenticeship training programs are jointly sponsored by college, university, and industrial organizations to provide the opportunity to the students to gain real life experience as well as employment. You heard the ITIA and that ITIA students compulsory completed the internship, means what? They are taking a job knowledge of the particular task into the particular industry, and this letter given by that college to them complete this task, and after that they are actually in a employment. In our college also we are giving the internship to the commerce students. In a Karad Urban Bank we are giving a letter to the employee candidate, and for that the bank giving you chance to work out into that bank, and after completing they are giving a certificate. This candidate has completed their internship. During that internship he or she is behave very nice, and he is completed successfully. This kind of training is called a internship. And the second method is that off the job method. A title reveals off the job means there is no on the job, means what? It is apart from the actually workout. Okay, under this method the trainee is separated from the job situation, and his attention is focused upon the learning the material related to his future job performance. There is an opportunity for freedom of expression for the trainee. In the on the job there is no freedom to express, but in a off the job there is a freedom to the trainee to express their ideas, because he is not an actually workout, he is separate from that workouts. In that there are number of methods, and first is what? Vestibule training. In this method actually work conditions are simulated in a classroom. This type of training is commonly used for training personnel for a clerical and semi-skilled jobs. This duration of this training ranges from day to few weeks, means what? Vestibule is what? If we are appointing any clerk or any clerk related workout, we are giving training to in any classroom. This kind of software we are using, and through that we are understanding, they are appointing a number of trainee to you people, and this task is continue few days or maybe few weeks, and it is simulated, means what? This creating as this environment creating as like a bank while they are giving the training related to bank task. Okay, vestibular training means according to that condition we are matching the situation of that particular task. And next is what? Role playing. It is also, you know very well, it is defined as a method of human interaction that involve realistic behavior in imaginary situation. This method of training involve action doing and practice. The participants play the role of certain characters and hence used for developing interpersonal interaction and relations. In a simple way, how role playing, if you want to be do any task, at that moment they are giving a situations to you people, and what your imaginary situation playing and doing realistic behavior means you thought you are the manager, and that way you have to be behave while we are taking a training. Through that they are giving you a training, and who is doing well at that moment he is successful handle this training. And next is what? Lecture method. The lecture is a traditional and direct method of instruction. To be effective, the lecture must motivate and create interest among the trainees. And advantages of the lecture method is that it is the direct and can be used for a large group of trainees. Lecture method, you know, today I am taking a lecture of you people. Through that I am motivating to you people and giving the information about the job or workouts, as like a same way in organization providing the lectures according to a specific task and giving the information about that particular activities. And next is what? Conference or a discussion. This title reveals what is meant by conference or discussions, you know very well. This method involves as a group of people who pose idea, examine and share facts, ideas and data, etc. Discussion has to be distinct advantages over the lecture method. These participants feel free to speak in small groups. The success of this method depends on the leadership qualities of the person who leads the group. Means in a lecture method, what there is a trainee and he is giving the lecture on that particular topic and we are listening all these things. But in a conference or discussion, no, there is active participation of a trainee. He have the freedom of to speak in that particular group, and he share his idea and qualities to the different group also, or in a same group also, and also he have a right to lead that group. And the last method is that programmed instructions. In recent years, this method has become a popular. The subject matter to be learned presented in a series of careful planned sequential units. This method is expensive and time consuming. Programmed instructions means what? There is a typical syllabus of that particular workouts, and according to that they are going unit by unit and they are giving the training to you people, and for that they are appointing expertise, and according to that they are taking your time. So it is a time consuming and it is not too easy. For that we are required experts, so it is too much expensive method, but this is a well accepted in today's era. So thank you.